What's up, guys? Welcome back to another awesome episode of Tackle Tuesday. Today we are going to be showing you one of the few ways how to repair your rod. So if you ever have a rod and any of the ceramic inserts in the guides break, if the actual guides themselves come off, the tip, anything like that, you can repair most of that stuff pretty easily. I used the Fuji micro guide repair kit, micro rod repair kit. You can pick that up at Bass Pro Shops, Tackle Warehouse, just about anywhere online. So let's get into it. So as I said before, I'm using the Fuji micro rod repair kit. Most of them come with a tube of glue and 3 different sizes of rod tip. If you take your rod tip in with you to Bass Pro, one of the guys in there, I'm sure, will help you pick the right size. Of course, I had to get a awesome B.A.S.S lighter to get this done, just to give it that little bit of extra seal. So what you're going to do is you're going to light the tip of the glue, melt it for a few seconds. I think Fuji recommends 3 to 4 seconds. Then you're going to wipe the glue onto the rod tip. Then you're going to heat up the tip that you're about to put on. Might want to use some pliers to do this so you don't have your hand so close to the flame. And then you're going to put the tip on and you're going to hold it in place for another 3 to 5 seconds. So after you put your rod tip on, you hold it in place. I would give it at least overnight until you use it. The rod that I repaired, I actually did use the following morning, probably 8-10 hours later. I used it, and I actually used that rod the majority of the day in the Southern Ohio Bassmaster tournament over the weekend. The video for that will be out here in a few days, but I did use it non-stop that day and had 0 issues, no shifting, didn't come off, obviously, nothing like that. So works really well. I highly recommend it. It'll save you a lot of money as opposed to buying a new rod. Thanks a bunch for tuning in. I really appreciate it. Hit that subscribe button for me. Check out some of my other videos. Make sure to come back every Tuesday for another Tackle Tuesday video. And also periodically throughout the week, make sure to stop in and check out some of the other videos I'm putting out. Thanks a bunch, and we'll catch you next time.